Before assembly, place the crane wheel on the hydraulic press table. Coating rust preventive oil inside the shaft hole. Carefully clean the wheel and face. Prepare for the subsequent painting quality. Each wheel and face will undergo professional painting treatment. Ensure optimal corrosion resistance performance. Wipe off excess paint. Axle assembly. Press the axle into the shaft hole for assembly. Ensure the perfect fit between the wheel and the axle. Place the bearing box onto the end of the axle. Perform press fitting. Flip wheel set, other side bearing box assembly. Install the spacer sleeve onto the axle. Clean the wheel and face on the other side again. Perform painting. Wipe off excess paint. Finally, press the bearing box into place. The crane wheel assembly is complete.